Hello everyone, today we are going to do something fun. So a few days ago my friend Anton was in town and we did lots of things like jumping in the water, in the ice. We went to this cultural exhibition. In the late evening we decided to sit down with a guitar and translate songs in English to Swedish. Something that we did for the Swedish language, my Instagram account. If you're interested in Sweden and the Swedish language, I don't know, maybe you are. You should follow it. It's great. It's fun. Spara dina tårar för en annan dag. We did 4 songs, and the last one. Well, this was my reaction while we were recording. So yes, this is a smash hit by Swedish band Roxette. The song is The Look, but what will it sound like if you translate it into Swedish? Sure, Swedish people will have a certain amount of fun with this, but there's also, the process of learning words, translating from English into Swedish. I'm not gonna hold you much longer. The song is quite fast, so if you want to hear, drunk Anton, you can change the playback speed of the video to kind of better get the feel of it. But here you go. Here is Roxette, The Look in Swedish. Går som en man, slår som en hammare, när unglurare, var aldrig en avslutare, god som en regndroppe, hon har utseendet på väg till himmelen, för himlen har ett nummer när hon snurrar mig runt, att kyssas är en färg, hennes kärlek är en vild hund, hon har utseendet, eld i isen, naken till ryggbiffen, den älskares mask, slår på huvudtrumman, skakar som en galen tjur, hon har utseendet, gungar till bandet, rör sig som en hammare, en mirakelman, att älska är havet, kysser som den våta sanden, hon har utseendet, hon har utseendet, hon har utseendet, vad i världen kan göra en brunögd tjej blå, och jag går la 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 la, hon har utseendet. And there you have it, a snippet, a 1-minute snippet of The Look by Roxette. Those lyrics, man, brilliant, brilliant. If you want us to do more of this, definitely leave a comment and maybe even tell us what song to mix. Like I said, on my Instagram account, the Swedish language, there are already at this point 2 songs with a third coming uploaded, so you can look out for Anton's face and you'll see those, and there's obviously a bunch of other fun stuff to experience, something that will make your life better, as Grace Helbig always used to say. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it, and I hope that you will have a continued wonderful day. See you next time. Bye.